Hi everybody, welcome back to Lennon Prep. I'm Charli Lennon, your public speaking coach. And today we're going to dive into a topic that is essential, but I will be honest, it is one that's a bit daunting and frustrating. It's networking. We're going to talk about why embracing rejection on your path to success isn't just okay, it's absolutely necessary. So, don't forget, if you like this topic or you like today's video, to make sure that you subscribe to Lennon Prep, which is my YouTube channel, and then follow me on my social media, which is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so networking is the art of building alliances. It's not just who you know, but really, it's who knows you. So think of the last time you met someone new. Think back. Those first encounters. They can be intimidating, but they were stepping stones, right? Little did you know that that potential handshake was maybe or potentially the ticket to your next big opportunity. When I think back on my career, I have had experiences just like that. The person that I was an assistant principal with ended up turning around and hiring me to work for him. And I'm not the only one. Statistics show that a significant percentage of jobs and opportunities are found through networking. But here's the thing. To tap into that power, you've got to be okay with hearing no. Let's all say it together. No. No, 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 no. It's not an easy word to hear because we think of it as rejection and it kind of stings and it disappoints. But it also teaches us resilience and then it shapes our character, right? So every no pushes you closer to that life-changing yes. That's what I tell my husband all the time when he says I ghosted him for all those months. I said, but look, I finally said yes. You just kept pushing until you heard yes. Okay, too much information. So just think about it. If you are so afraid of rejection, you don't even put yourself in the situation where you might be rejected, then you're missing out on all kind of future possibilities. So remember, you've got to persist. You got to stay positive. And then just keep refining your approach so that your network will grow and those no's will turn into yeses. And the key is persistence, consistency, mixed with a little bit of strategy. But we'll talk about that another day. So you have to start with initiating genuine conversations with people. Not pitches, actual genuine conversation that offers value without expecting immediate return. It's like when you see someone and you say, hello, how are you? You genuinely, hopefully, want to know how they are. And if you don't, then stop saying it. And remember, sometimes it's about timing. A no today might turn into a yes, let's collaborate tomorrow. Side note, if anybody wants to collaborate, let me know. So here's the deal. Success is not linear. It's complex. It's like a web, a spider web of trial and error and networking. And it's all how you navigate through that web. Okay? It's not going to be something that, oh, look, I initiated conversation. I better land this amazing job or brand deal or whatever the case may be. It takes time. So you have to learn to embrace what most of us consider that to be as rejection. There's power in rejection because it means you're trying, stretching your boundaries, and pushing towards something greater than you know. I'm very friendly. I could talk to a wall, but I'll be honest with you. Hearing no is still sometimes difficult for me. And the things that I'm telling you are the strategies that I'm using for myself as well. I have to think positive and take that emotion away from the word no, separating no from that emotion. So you have to learn from every encounter. Cherish those moments and don't be discouraged by the no's. They're basically signposts on your road to true success. For the most part. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, remember, hit that like button. And if you have your own networking stories or tips for dealing with rejection, then drop those comments below so that we can learn from one another. Don't forget to subscribe for more, because I'm having a blast and I hope you all are too. So until next time, remember what I always say, strive for excellence, not perfection. And in regards to networking and rejection, keep reaching out, keep connecting, just keep going. Like the fish said, just keep swimming. I say, just keep going. All right, until next time, bye.